welcome back to the channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome. So of course it's the same day, that's why I'm in the same blue top. It's a dress, it's not a top. Okay guys, so today we have Iceland huge or no huge weekly, monthly Iceland haul. It's not monthly, probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, kind of Iceland haul. Okay, so I got my Iceland receipt here, warehouse. Okay, so guys, this shopping haul cost me £111.30p. okay, £111.30p. that's what everything cost me in this haul. Okay guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive right into this haul. I'll tell you guys the price of each item. You guys already know, you are familiar with my Iceland shopping haul, so you guys will probably know. Maybe I bought 1 or 2 things difference. Okay, so let me show you guys. Okay guys, so we have mixture of frozen food and non-frozen food. Okay, so this is everything in the haul. I'll just show you guys up close properly before we start. Okay, so that's everything in the haul. Yeah, so this is £111.30p. okay guys, I'm going to tell you guys each price of the items. If you are not new to my channel, you're already familiar with some of these things. I tend to buy them quite often, the same, maybe a little difference. Okay, or maybe a new thing I had to eat. Yeah guys, so this is everything in the haul, as you guys can see. Okay, yeah, okay guys, so let's start from the top of the receipt. So we got the chips, that's the first thing on top of the receipt. We got the chips. Iceland is still doing 3 for £10. Okay, so I got 3. One is £4.85. if you had to buy it single, it would have been £4.85, and the 3 would have been £14.55p or something like that. The receipt is not always clear, so that 55 or 56p. Okay, so that is the chips. The next thing is the milk, 4-pint milk. So this milk, I didn't see the big one, that's why I ended up with the 4-pint one. The milk is £1.45. I got 3 of them for £4.35. It's not 35, I'm seeing the 36. The receipt is very faint guys, so it's quite hard for me to see the price properly, but it's £1.45 for one, the milk. Okay, the next thing is this drink. You guys remember they used to do them 3 for £3, which I think is still the same thing anyway. It's still the same thing. Okay, so it's £1 now. It's the drink is £1. So they don't do, they remove that offer, which I think is still okay. It's the same. So if you buy 3, it's still £3. It's not like as if it went up. Normally in some shop like Asda, it's £1.25 for one in Asda, but it's £1 in Iceland. Okay, and then we got the pork sausage. I got 2 type. You can see I got the raspberry and strawberry. Okay, and then we got pork sausage, £4. So this pork sausage is not £4. They are doing offer on it, this jumbo pork sausage, so that they can be using it for the hot dog. So it's £4 for one, but it's 3 for £10 if you buy 3. So I got 3. Okay, it's 3 for £10. Okay, yeah. So and then the next thing on the list here is the chicken burger, which is over here. The chicken burger is also 3 for £10. Okay, but if you buy one, it's £3.50, but it's 3 for £10. Okay, so I got 3 of them here. 3, right? And then we got our burger buns, which is somewhere around here. I got 2 burger buns. The burger buns are £2. Okay, and there's the other one. There's 2 of them. And then I got the normal pork sausage, £3.50. There is 20 in here. I got just 1 of them, 1 pack. And then we have hot dog rolls. They are £2 as well. So the hot dog roll, I bought 2 hot dog roll. I bought 2 of them. 2 of them there. And then I got chicken nuggets, which is over here. I got just 1 chicken nugget. And then we have cooked ham. They're over here. It's 3 for £5. The cooked ham is £2.45 if you are buying just one, but it's 3 for £5. I think it's upside down. Okay, so there's 3 there. Okay, for £5. And then we have clover butter, which is this one here. I bought just one for £3. And then we have steak bake. So this is a steak bake. They are still doing offer of any of these Greg's bake for £10 for 4. So I got 3 steak bake and I bought one that is corned beef. I want to try this corned beef. So they are £10 for the 4. Okay, each of them is £3. If you are buying just one, it's £3. Okay, if you buy just one, it's going to cost you £3. And then we have mashed cheddar slice, £3.60 for one. Okay, so the cheese are £3.50 for one. I got 2 types, the mashed one and the mined one. So £3.60 for one. And then we have hot and spicy wings, which is this chicken wings over here. Okay, they are 3 for £10, but one is £3.75. If you are buying one, you are going to spend £3.75, but 3 is £10. Okay, it's 3 for £10. And then we have slush puppy. So this slush puppy is cheaper in Asda. This slush puppy is £1.25 in Asda. In Iceland it's £1.50. I bought 4. There's 2 there. That's another 2. So I got 4 of them. Okay, they are £1.50 each. And then I got sugar, 1 kilo each, 2 for £2. The sugar is 2 for £2. Okay, 2 for £2 for the sugar. And then we also have brioche rolls, which is £1.75 for one, but 3 is £3. This is the brioche roll here. So I got 3 brioche roll. The other one is over here. It's about to fall down. So there's 3 of them there. The 3 of them is £3 for the brioche roll. And then we have lettuce. We have lettuce here. The lettuce is 85p for the lettuce. I bought just one. And then we got some mixed eggs, which is this one here. Their mixed sizes, some are bigger than some. I wanted to get organic eggs, but I didn't see organic eggs. Even though I went to Asda, I didn't see organic eggs either. So I got 2 of that. Okay guys, what's next? Okay guys, I think that's everything in this haul actually. Okay, that's everything in this haul. Oh, there's one more thing. Thank God, I nearly forgot it now. There's one more thing. Let me look for the price of it. I'm trying to look for the price of this hot dog. Yeah, hot dog. No, that's the hot dog roll. Hot dog. I can't find the hot dog, guys. This is the hot dog. This hot dog, I think is £6, I think, but I can't find it. Oh, there. It's not. It's corn dog. It's not hot dog. Sorry, guys. Corn dog. Yeah, £6. Yeah, I was looking for. Yeah, I'm looking at it, but I'm like, I can't find the price there. It's very nice though. Very yummy. You put it in the oven for some minutes. It has all the sauce inside. Those sauce you are seeing in the picture, they are inside, and it's really delicious, guys. I bought it before, but it's £6 for that box, so it's nice. I got just that one box actually because it's £6. It's not like I thought it's not tasty. It's nice. It's filling as well. If you are someone that get fed up quickly by all these kind of things. Some of our African people, they have to eat, swallow before they can fill up. But for a person like me, this hot dog, if I eat just 2, my stomach will fill up. Yeah, so it's £6, guys. £6. So that's it. That's everything in this haul. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Okay, yeah guys, please, if you enjoy watching this haul, which is very helpful, please share it so that other people can benefit from the price of food from Iceland. Okay, so share it, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can also recommend it. The more thumbs up it got, the more like it gets, the more YouTube will recommend the video. Okay guys, so this is everything on this haul, and everything cost me £111 30p. The receipt is not very clear, but I think it's 30p, I think. Okay, so yeah guys, so this is everything one more time. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you do, consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. It's free to subscribe. It's also free to like this video, and it's also free to share it. I swear, the like button, the thumbs up, you will see the thumbs up sign just beneath the video, and the subscribe button as well just beneath the video. Okay, in case you want to subscribe and you don't know where to find it, it's just beneath the video and it's free. You don't get charged for anything. Okay, you just like it, and you can share it to your WhatsApp, share it to Facebook, share it to your friends and family, so that you know how much a family of 6 spends in a week on Iceland shopping. Okay, yeah, all right guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.